Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing of the Bad Boys, the Wolo's Bad Boy air horn. The Model 419 has been around for a while. This, if you guys want a little something louder than your regular horns, like if your regular horn's going out, or you just want something a little louder. Because safety issue is a big concern. Like when you need to blow your horn, a lot of people in traffic, like say like your horn getting low or your horn don't work or it just ain't loud. It's hard to hear, because after a while your horn go out and you want something a little bit louder, and you probably want something a little bit cooler too, and easy to install. They have the air horns with the trumpets and the air hose and the compressor. But a lot of vehicles can't fit that up under there. Then sometimes it's a little bit too complex for people. So they made this, which is not bad in my opinion. It's not the loudest in my opinion. Sometimes the compressor with the air hose is louder, but this sounds good, pretty good and loud, and depending on where you put it at. And a lot of times it don't be loud because a lot of people, they install it and they put it way in the back of the by the firewall under the engine compartment. Maybe that's the only spot they could put it at, but they put it back there with the sound that comes out backwards facing. I mean, you can hear, but it's not as loud. So a lot of people think it's not that loud, but a lot of times, if you can, I would try to put it between the grill, like in between the grill area, somewhere up there, and then it'll pretty much be maximum loud as it can, And another thing I like about it too, as I said, it's easy to install. It's no compressor, no air hose, none of that. Everything is built in. Everything is built in. See that? Yep, everything is built in. All in one. Yep, it even come with the instructions. It come with the instructions, and it come with the relay, which you might not even need the relay. What I usually do on only way you probably would need the relay if you leaving your factory horns plugged up and you add this one. But what I usually do is I don't use the relay in here. I just disconnect both of the factory horns and then just hook this one up to the existing wire, because the factory horn has its own relay and its own fuse for those horns. So if those horns is not hooked up, I just use it for this, because it got two horns hooked up. So I'm pretty much sure that would be way more powerful enough to handle this. And I never had a problem with the relay burning out, the fuse blowing, nothing like that, So let's open it up and see what it come with. Well, I just told you what it come with, but just let's open it up anyway. Open this up. All right. Those are instructions. I mean, it's self-explanatory. I mean, if you need the instructions, use it. But if you don't, then it got the Bad Boy sticker. The nut that goes on the back of here, it's like a one bolt mounting. Depending on where you put it at, a lot of times I have to fabricate like a bracket or something because I want it to go into a place where it's the loudest. So, and then that's the relay. And then it just got your positive, negative. You're gonna need some female eclipse, spades, eclipse to put it on there. But I'm gonna tell you, it shows you that on the back of there. See that? Preferably get the insulated kind if it's gonna be, so you won't have issue with no the terminals rusting out, stuff like that. Corrosion. And it's pretty much simple to install. Like sometimes, like back when I used to install these, I used to use two of them, put two of them, take the two factory horns out, and then put these two in. Yep, they pretty much loud, man. Pretty much loud. All right, so that's it. We're not gonna make this video too long. I was just showing you guys the Wolo air horn, something you might be interested in, upgrading your factory horn to this. I highly recommend doing that. If you're looking for somebody like, you know, you would just want a louder horn in general, because maybe your regular horn not loud enough, but maybe you just want to change the tone of your horn. But I recommend you doing this. I think they're about $40 in the store. You can order them off Amazon or eBay or whatever like that. But yeah, I think it's a decent upgrade. You know, like I said, not the loudest, but you will be heard. And if I would suggest you try to put it in the grill somewhere near up in the front and not in the back by the firewall where I see a lot of people putting them at. But anyways, that's the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, hit that notification bell for future videos, and y'all be safe out there, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. I'm out.
Perfect. 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 Perfect.